Tea tree oil, skin care and natural antiseptic. The tea tree oil, commonly called Melaleuca oil, is a well-known vital oil utilized for thousands of years for its many benefits to health. Originating from Australia, the oils are extracted by the leaf from the Melaleuca alternifolia plant. The oil of tea tree is known for its potent antibacterial, antibiotic, and antifungal properties, which makes it an effective ingredient in a variety of skincare products. The most well-known applications of the tea tree oil can be found for skincare. Because of its antiseptic properties, tea tree oil is extremely efficient for treating skin that is prone to acne. If used topically on the skin, it can help to eliminate the bacteria on the skin, which often causes breakouts. In addition, tea tree oil can have relaxing and soothing effect on skin, which reduces inflammation and redness that is caused by acne. It also regulates oil production, which reduces the risk of pores becoming clogged and breakouts in the future. Tea tree oil isn't just beneficial for skin with acne, but it can also be utilized to treat a variety of skin issues. It can ease itching, redness, and irritation that are caused by eczema or psoriasis. The antifungal qualities of tea tree oil make it a great treatment for fungal infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm, as well as nail fungus. Tea tree oil can be used to treat insects and soothe stings, offering relief from inflammation and itching. If you are using tea tree oil on the skin, it is essential to dilute it using an oil carrier such as coconut oil or jojoba oil to avoid irritation to the skin. Although the oil of tea is safe to use on the majority of people, it is advised to conduct an initial patch test prior to applying it on large parts of your skin. In addition to skincare, tea tree oil can be used for numerous other benefits. It is a great natural treatment for fungal scalp infections and promotes the growth of healthy hair and also preventing the development of dandruff. A few drops of tea tree oil in your shampoo will help to remove the buildup and excess oil and leave your scalp fresh and clean. Tea tree oil can be utilized as a natural household cleaning agent. The antiseptic qualities of tea tree oil make it a useful component in homemade cleaning products. It is able to fight mold and bacteria and is a fantastic alternative to chemical-based cleaners. Mix some drops of tea tree oil, water, and vinegar in spray bottles to make your own multi-purpose cleaner. Additionally, tea tree oil can be utilized in aromatherapy to help relax and lessen stress. The invigorating aroma creates an uplifting effect, which helps to ease anxiety and boost mood. By adding a couple of drops in tea tree oil into the diffuser or inhaling it directly can give you a feeling of calm and peace. It is vital to remember that, while the oil of tea tree is typically safe to use for topical purposes, however, ingestion of it through the mouth can be harmful. It should not be consumed or used in lieu of medical treatments. Like any essential oil, it is highly recommended to seek advice from a medical professional prior to making use of tea tree oil, particularly if you suffer from existing medical issues or are breastfeeding or pregnant. In the end, tea tree oil can be described as an incredibly versatile essential oil that has numerous medical and skincare benefits. Its natural antibacterial, antiseptic, as well as antifungal qualities make it a great ingredient to treat the symptoms of acne and fungal infection and a variety of skin issues. If used properly and in the right dosage, tea tree oil can be an effective supplement to any routine of skincare. But care must be taken to avoid negative reactions. It is recommended to consult a professional before adding essential oils to your routine.